Tapsi wants to know why you're not wearing pink.
No, I'm going to show pink, so it's okay.
Wow, a girl is offering you pink lipstick.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, and I know you'll have to go for one more trailer launch, Banjo. My best wishes to them also. Why are you laughing? So, anyway, thank you for coming. This is Pink. This is our 5th baby, and I'll say it's really close to me at this moment, the way it's turned out. And I just want to present and say thank you to the director of the film, Mr. Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary from Kolkata, two-time national award winner. And when he came up with this idea and when he told me, I was really excited, and I jumped and I straight away took this idea to Mr. Bachchan, and I'm very happy and I'm really privileged that and honored that he accepted, and that's how this ball started rolling, and today we are here. Another person who was the really spine of this film and the backbone is the writer of the film, which I always say is Mr. Ritesh Shah. We have always tried to entertain the audience, whether it's Vicky Donor or Madras Cafe or Piku. Always tried unconventional stories. Always have tried to not to cross the barrier, to be always out of the box. Start calling upon my cast and crew, and I'm also really emotionally charged because I'm meeting my cast and crew after my shooting again, all of them. So it's really feels good. I also want to thank Rashmi Sharma Films, who has partnered with us and collaborated in this film first time, and they're debuting in the Mumbai film industry with us. Thank you so much, Rashmi. My dear friend Ronnie, who has also produced the film with Rashmi, and Mr. Narendra Hirawat. I'll quickly call upon the director of the film, Mr. Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary, Tony, from Kolkata. Ritesh, are you here? Yeah, right. And as I always said, the backbone and the hero of any film is the writer. And my writer, Ritesh Shah. Ritesh. And what to say about Mr. Bachchan? I mean, we are just honored and privileged that he is there with us, with all youngsters in this film. Yeah, I also. So, and please welcome the only one, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. These 3 girls who you saw in the film, Tapsi, Kirti and Andrea, they have really become so close after this film, I can't tell you. We fight every day. And please welcome Tapsi Pannu, Kirti and Andrea. The first time she's from Shillong, a girl from Northeast. She's there in this film and she's debuting in this film. That's Andrea. And our Angad Bedi. And one of my very old friend, last 15 years, my theatre friend, Mr. Piyush Mishra. I'll call my another friend who is the music director of this film is Shantanu Moitra. And finally my producers and my presenters, Rashmi Sharma, Ronnie Lahiri and Mr. Hirendra Hirawat. And my other 2 casts were there is Tushar and Rashul. Please come. So it's a full football team we have, and we made this film like a football match. So it was quite emotionally charged and playful. And
Shri, सबसे पहले मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगी before we open it to Q&A. After a long gap, after a long period of time, I think we're getting some feedback here. After a long period of time, आप एक full-fledged Hindi film produce कर रहे हैं after many years. So how did Pink begin? ये journey कैसे शुरू हुआ?
Quickly, this film, when idea, basic line was narrated to me by Tony, the story about the 3 girls. He wanted to make this film in Bengali. And plays this film in Kolkata. And I am from Delhi, and I have lived Delhi for almost 17, 18 years. I know how Delhi is, and so I told him that no, this film will be best that we place this film in Delhi. So then we started working on the film, and as a team, then we collaborated with Ritesh, and we started on the script, and that's how this film got made. Delhi, why? Because I know Delhi, I know really Delhi very well, the language of Delhi, the people of Delhi. एक दिल्ली वाला दूसरे दिल्ली वाले को पहचान सकता है और कोई नहीं पहचान सकता है. So it's like I know them quite well, the way I've lived there. So that's how this film took place, and this film for me is going to be amongst all my films is going to be very, very, very important and special. Thank you.
Mr. Bachchan, if I could ask you a quick question. ट्रेलर देखकर आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में we are very very confused कि आपका जो किरदार है वो किस तरफ है, वो लॉ की तरफ है या वो गर्ल्स की तरफ है या वो बॉयज की तरफ से. Could you please tell us something about the character you're playing?
यही तो मुझको भी नहीं मालूम. अभी आपको बता देंगे तो फिर फिल्म देखने का मजा चला जाए. लेकिन ये एक सहानुभूति दिखाने वाला कैरेक्टर है. जो परिस्थितियां हैं देश में और खासतौर से दिल्ली में, उनको लेकर के इसको बनाया गया है और बहुत खूबसूरती से इसको इसका एक ढांचा बना है जिसमें मुझे डाला गया. मेरे लिए बड़ा ये एक गर्व का समय है, क्योंकि मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि बहुत कम ऐसी फिल्में बनती हैं जहाँ पर आप जो किरदार आपके लिए बनाया जाता है उसमें आपका विश्वास रहता है. और मेरा विश्वास न केवल इस कहानी में इस किरदार के साथ है और जो ये किरदार कहता और करता है उसके साथ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Mr. Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary, sir, आप you won national award आपका काम in the Bengali film industry. क्या था ऐसा पिंक के बारे में, इस स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में जो आपने डिसाइड किया that this will be your first Hindi film?
This is a very close film. Whatever I have experienced in the last 7-8 years across the country, I wanted to do something based on that. Either Shujit and Ronnie produced a Bengali film of mine. We were going to San Francisco, and I proposed them, flight pay, that I want to do this film in Bangal. And then I must thank Shujit and Ronnie, the way they nurtured, the way Shujit's mother cared and collaborated. And this is Pink. And sir, thank you for your blessings. And thanks everybody. It's a collaborative art form. Everybody is responsible for film and for Pink. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Taapsee, my next question is to you. Cute Taapsee, bubbly Taapsee. हमने ये Taapsee देखी और इसी Taapsee से मिले हैं. But अभी जो हमने ट्रेलर दिखाया, पूरी दुनिया को दिखाया, and it's going to be on YouTube in a couple of minutes. इस Pink में क्या हमें नजर आने वाला है?
I think cute Taapsee, bubbly Taapsee first film के बाद रह गई थी पीछे. After that I did Baby and now this. I don't think people see me as cute bubbly anymore. हाँ, अब मैंने इसके अंदर ज़्यादा हाथ पैर नहीं मारे हैं for a change. But Pink, I think it is very close to what Delhi Ganesh sir said. कि मतलब बहुत easy और difficult at the same time ये थी picture. Easy इसलिए क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली की हूँ, वहीं पे रही हूँ यहाँ आने से पहले. तो इससे ज़्यादा आसान नहीं हो सकता था कुछ करना मेरे लिए. मुश्किल इसलिए क्योंकि ये सब्जेक्ट ऐसा था, it has actually taken a piece out of my heart and it's always going to be there. Like this will be a landmark for me in all possible ways. The fact that so early in my career I got to share screen space with him. Like हाँ, हम दूसरे के against से खड़े थे ऐसा लग रहा था ट्रेलर में. But what fun to work with him, and my sweetheart's almost here right now. I think we three bonded the best during the film shoot. Like we really were like flatmates. And Shujita, thank you so much. Finally, आपने मुझे अपने पिक्चर के अंदर कास्ट करके. Thank you so much. I mean, it is almost a pleasure to work under him. Like he gets the best out of you, Tonida. What an entry in Bollywood! So thank you so much. Pink is this point it has happened. Thank you guys. You've been not so nice to me on the on the screen, but very nice to me off screen. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Piyush sir, just one question to you also sir. मैं अभी सुन रही थी आप जब ट्रेलर देख रहे थे और उसके immediately बाद आपने बोला बहुत बढ़िया. तो ऐसी एक फिल्म कितनी जरूरी है आज के टाइम में, अ मूवी लाइक पिंक?
जरूरी नहीं है, जरूरी है भाई। अरे बहुत जरूरी है आज के वक्त में, बहुत जरूरी, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फिल्म है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फिल्म। मैं ज़्यादा इसके बारे में रोशनी डाल नहीं सकता क्योंकि लोग मुझे मारेंगे, लेकिन इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट फिल्म है, ज्वलंत इशू है, बाकायदा हर चीज़ हर जगह चलती है। ये दिल्ली बेस्ड है खाली, लेकिन ये वैल्यू सारी से फैली हुई है हर जगह। तो ये बहुत ही यूनिवर्सली एप्लीकेबल नॉर्म्स हैं इसकी वैल्यूज से। सो मैं आप देखिएगा फिल्म और बताइए।
Well, इससे पहले कि हम क्वेश्चन आंसर के लिए ओपन करें, प्रोड्यूसर्स कैन हैव अ क्विक वर्ड विद द प्रोड्यूसर्स, शुजीत जी, इफ यू डोंट माइंड। रश्मि, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि व्हाट इज इट दैट कन्विंस्ड यू टू पुट योर फोर्स बिहाइंड दिस मूवी? हमारे डायरेक्टर शुजीत, द एंटायर कास्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, व्हाट कन्विंस्ड यू?
सबसे पहले तो मैं सबके थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगी कि मेरी ये पहली बार है और आप सब ने इस फील्ड में बहुत अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू वेरी मच। और मेरे लिए इस फिल्म टेलीविज़न के बाद एक वेंचर फिल्म में करने के लिए सब्जेक्ट, इसकी स्टोरी लाइन और जो स्टोरी थी सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे लिए मुझे एक्साइट की। एंड ऑफ कोर्स उस पर शुजीत दा एंड टोनी, मिस्टर बच्चन, पूरे कास्ट जितने टैलेंटेड लोग थे, ये सब मेरे लिए बहुत एक्साइटिंग रहा इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जुड़ने के लिए।
And we can all tell it's a labor of love. Shujit, before we open for Q&A, is there anything, any other words that you want to say?
No, I think let's open it for Q&A.
Alright, let's open it for questions.
Whatever I had to say, मैंने ट्रेलर में बोल दिया है, so बाकी तो आप लोग जानते हैं.
I believe this is going around.
अमित जी,
Just one last thing is that just want to thank our music partner, John Lee, and thank you so much, Shika. It's going to be here. Thank you so much. Please.
सर मेरा सवाल है अमित जी की पिंक कलर, गुलाबी कलर से कोई खास नाता है आपका, कोई अगर कोई आप शेयर करना चाहें?
पिंक कलर जो है इसको एक स्थान दिया गया है विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए, महिलाओं को शक्ति मिले, उसके लिए एक रंग चुना गया पिंक, और इसीलिए इस फिल्म का शीर्षक पिंक रखा गया, क्योंकि ये फिल्म उन महिलाओं के प्रति है जिन हम सब शक्ति देना चाहते हैं और बताना चाहते हैं कि उनके अंदर भी एक शक्ति है जिसका उन्होंने इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। समाज में बहुत निरादर होता है महिलाओं का, और महिलाओं को अपने पैरों पर खड़ा होकर जो पल है उनके अंदर, जो मान है, जो मर्यादा है, और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि 50% शक्ति जो है वो देश की महिलाओं की होती है किसी भी देश में, उसको ये समर्पित है ये।
सर आप अलग अलग मंचों पर या ब्लॉग में भी महिलाओं के लिए कई सारी बातें लिख जाते हैं, तो क्या ये फिल्म उन सभी चीज़ों को क्लियर कर जाएगी? कुछ ऐसा मुद्दा इसमें, क्योंकि ट्रेलर देखकर तो देख
मैं ऐसा नहीं मानता हूँ कि रितेश ने इसमें से कुछ प्रेरणा ली हो। ये मेरे अपने ख्यालात हैं, और कई ऐसे काम जो हैं समाज के लिए और यूनाइटेड नेशंस एम्बेसडर होने के नाते मैं करता रहता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे उसमें विश्वास है और उसकी एक मान्यता उसको देने के लिए मैं उसके बारे में लिखता रहता हूँ। कुछ अंश शायद आपको इसमें भी देखेंगे, क्योंकि धारणा तो एक ही होती है, वो चाहे कहीं भी लिखी हो या किसी के मन या किसी के कलम से निकले या किसी कलाकार के मुँह से निकले, लेकिन विश्वास होना चाहिए, और वही विश्वास आपको इस फिल्म में दिखाई देगा।
सर आज एक खबर आई कि एक ठग फिल्म में आप आने वाले हैं आमिर के साथ, कितनी सच है? अगर आप उसको थोड़ा लाइट,
इसके बारे में हम चर्चा नहीं कर सकते।
अमित जी है। अमित जी, सबसे पहले तो आप लोग सबों को सलाम कि आप लोगों ने इतना खूबसूरत सब्जेक्ट उठाने की कोशिश की, बहुत धारदार है सब्जेक्ट, ऐसा बहुत कम होता है, आपको महानायक कहा जाता है, लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसी चीज़ होती है कि स्क्रिप्ट नायक हो जाती है। क्या आपको लगता है कि ये स्क्रिप्ट ऐसी है जो आप हैं इसीलिए तो फिल्म आगे आएगी ही, लेकिन अपने सब्जेक्ट के कारण ये फिल्म ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा थिएटर में जाएगी और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को खींचेगी? क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है?
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं ये जो किताब आप मेरे नाम पे रोकती है वो उसमें मुझे विश्वास नहीं, और ना ही मैं यहाँ आया हूँ उसे सुनने को। हम सब यहाँ पर इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि हम सब ने एक ऐसी फिल्म में काम किया है जिसमें हम सबको विश्वास था, लगन थी, और एक तरह से हम सब के अंदर एक बिलीफ थी कि जो हम कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं, उसमें सच्चाई है, और इसी चीज़ को मान के हम आगे बढ़े हैं। महिला का शरीर जो है, और ये मैंने एक अंग्रेजी एडिटोरियल में पढ़ा, और मुझे बहुत सुंदर लगा और मैं उसे आज बयान करना चाहूँगा। A woman's body is not a democracy. It is a dictatorship. And it's about time the dictator took charge.
Congratulations to all of you all. You're looking very smart, dashing with this jacket. So, yeah, definitely. First of all, this look के बारे में थोड़ा कहना चाहेंगे कि ये look how was it decided and एक lawyer का किरदार करना how difficult or easy it was like.
जितना कुछ मुझे दिया जाता है करने के लिए, बोलने के लिए, पहनने के लिए, ये सब मैं अपने जो निर्देशक हैं उनके ऊपर छोड़ देता हूँ। सुजीत ने कहा कि इस तरह का लोग होना चाहिए, इस तरह के बाल होने चाहिए, इस तरह की गाड़ी बाई हुई होनी चाहिए और इस तरह के वस्त्र आप पहनेंगे। वो जो चेहरे पे मास्क है वो मेरा है और वो एक दिन क्योंकि मैं उसको लेकर के ट्रेनिंग कर रहा था तो सुजीत को अच्छा लगा, उन्होंने कहा इसको हम फिल्म में इस्तेमाल करेंगे। फिल्म में इसलिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे क्योंकि दिल्ली में एक पोल्यूशन का प्रॉब्लम भी है, इसलिए ये मास्क लगा करके घूम रहा है। लेकिन बाकी जितनी चीज़ें थी, जितने भी औजार मुझको मिले इस फिल्म में, वो सब सुजीत की देन है। कुछ हद तक ये जो किरदार है ये थोड़ा सा क्या कहें, थोड़ा सा बहका हुआ है अपने जीवन में, कुछ हताश भी है, कुछ निराशाएं हुई हैं और इसलिए ये इतना सक्षम नहीं है अपने काम में। लेकिन धीरे धीरे जिस तरह की वो परिस्थितियों को देखता है, ये इन 3 लड़कियों के घर के सामने ही रहता है और प्रतिदिन देखता रहता है इनकी जो हालत है या हालात हैं और उन्हीं से प्रेरित होकर के ये कुछ कदम उठाता है जो शायद अपने जीवन में इसने पहली दफे इतना एक सशक्त कदम उठाया हो। और ये सारी बातें जो है ये सुजीत ने हमें समझाई। उसके बाद हम लोग ने मिलजुल करके इसमें उस किरदार को बनाया, चाहे वो उसके कपड़े हों, चाहे उसका व्यवहार हो, किस तरह से बात करेगा, किस तरह से बोलेगा, तब जा करके किरदार बनाया। No, I haven't. I actually haven't been inside a court, thank God, and I hope I never have to. I did, during the time of the Bofors allegation, enter a court in London to defend myself. But that's the only time I saw a court. But I have never seen the insides of an Indian court. I merely went by whatever research was told to us by the writer. And the writers and the producers and the director actually went through a huge research discussion, met lawyers, kept them on board. We actually had a recognized lawyer on set who would keep guiding us in case we went wrong, in the way we presented, in the way we spoke. The atmosphere on court is generally in Indian movies seen in the way you see it, but we try to recreate that as naturally as possible. I think that only adds to the temperament of the film. So we've really gone by what the research came to us through the directors, through the writers, and through the legal help that we got.
The Delhi High Court Bar Council and the Supreme Court Bar Council, they were part of suggesting us. We went there, we spoke to many High Court and the Supreme Court lawyers about the laws and what are the intricacies of those laws, what effect, which the youngsters don't know at all nowadays, because this film will also in some way tell them what are the laws that they should be aware of when they are on the streets or outside. So I think those lawyers, really thank to the complete Delhi lawyers and the High Court and Supreme Court, and also High Court Mumbai, the many lawyers. They allowed us to be on one of the session courts where we went there and we saw many cases. And this character is not based on anybody, but whatever the character is speaking has been taken from many real life cases, inspired from many real life cases from all over the India, the courts. What kind of cases come from Kolkata, from Delhi and from Mumbai. So we have compiled all of them and tried to create an entertaining and a thrilling journey.
I can't help but notice the dialogues are uncannily, similar to what Nirbhaya's lawyers had also said, the ones against.
Right.
So, so did you at all take inspiration from that?
No, it's not an inspiration, but yeah, Nirbhaya is a really a scar in our heart and in our mind, in our legal system and everywhere. It's really a big scar. कभी-कभी शर्म आता है उसके बारे में सोचते हुए. Yes, we went through that case. We went through each and every compartment of that case. कैसे वो case बढ़ा आगे कैसे गया. But no, this is not inspired from Nirbhaya at all. This is purely a story which we have seen in our eyes. I have seen in Delhi. Tony has seen it in Kolkata, so you will all relate to it. It's somewhere down the line, somewhere it must have happened to you also. So when you see the film. So no, Nirbhaya definitely helped me in the legal terms, but no, it's not based on Nirbhaya.
These are dialogues, perhaps the most provocative dialogues we've ever heard you say. So, did you have any qualms at all before picking up the script?
Yeah, no, I think it's not, it's provocative. I think it's the first time that this kind of hardline, I think lines that Mr. Bachchan has spoken, I think which is not generally spoken in the roads also like that to a woman. Yes, these are really hardline lines. Yeah.
Amitji,
if the lines are going to be supportive of the legal argument or the legal track that he's eventually going to take, I just felt it was very important to say. When you see the film, I think that perhaps you will find it justifiable that I use those lines. They are harsh, they are very confrontational, they are embarrassing, and those moments are not lost in the film. It's not as though the person in the Katghara is going to readily accept what is being said or what is being argued about. I mean, there are objections that are raised by the opposition, there are objections that are raised by the judge that is sitting on judgment, but eventually it is a kind of language and a track that the lawyer takes in order to justify the event that has taken place.
So is it subversive at all in nature? Is that it?
Sorry?
Is it subversive? Is that how that plays out?
Subversive? Towards what?
Towards the entire, like you're saying something which is not really something that you mean. So is it subversive? Or
for that, I think you'll have to watch the film. You're asking me the nitty-gritty of the story. Please watch the
I have
film.
to reveal the story, man. I wouldn't want to do that right now, but yes. I think it's important to know the tone of the film. You know, it is harsh, it is aggressive, it is not untruthful.
and these laws, considering you play a lawyer in the film, I can't help but ask you, do you think the laws that exist today are outdated, and do you think we need to rework the laws, especially when it comes
Never ever entertain that mind in your thought, man. Our lawyers are very efficient, and so is our law enforcement agents.
Yeah, during your youthhood days, you were tagged as the angry young man. Nonetheless, even today, I can see that effortless and prolific anger portrayed on the silver screen. How do you manage it?
Yeah, the circumstances were such that I just couldn't control myself. No, seriously, it's not really a laughing matter. It's when you see the circumstances in the film, you would realize that any other actor, I mean, Sujit could have taken anybody else. I'm very grateful that he included me in the cast, but anyone would behave the way that he did.
हालांकि आपने घुमा फिरा दिया अपना कैरेक्टर, लेकिन दिन में शहंशाह लग रहे हो और रात में लॉयर लग रहे हो, तो थोड़ा सा elaborate, अगर दिन में लॉयर और रात में शहंशाह उल्टा बोल गई मैं, थोड़ा सा elaborate कीजिएगा.
बहुत से और लोग भी हैं यहाँ पर उनसे बात.
You had started a social media campaign with the hashtag What is Pink. So
Right.
what was the idea behind it, and if you could elaborate on what exactly Pink is?
Actually, that's why we're here. That was just a teaser for the trailer. And now that the trailer is out, I guess it answers the question.
Yeah, yesterday's एक RJ जी आलोक जी उन्होंने पूछा क्या पीकू से लिया पिंक में भी मैंने कहा कि नहीं there is nothing, it's really a coincidence that it's पीकू का पिंक में भी पी है but nothing related to that. But I think पिंक एक ऐसा कलर है जो जिसके बहुत सारे नेचर्स हैं और हम लोग हर समय शायद कुछ गलत नेचर ही उसमें देखा है. सो पॉसिबली इस फिल्म में कुछ पॉसिबली आपको राइट नेचर ऑफ पिंक शायद आपको देखने को मिले. Maybe we break down the color of pink in different modes, different nature, different identity of pink. So वो शायद आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद it may be much clarified, clear होगा आपको why it is pink. It's still a little intriguing, but we want to keep it like that. But आपने पिंक के लोगों में अगर देखा होगा कि 2 हाथ भी हैं. So I think जो उस बार को पकड़े हुए हैं उनको. So उसके लिए भी एक क्लू है. जब फिल्म देखेंगे उसके बाद और मालूम चलेगा.
Like you said, you did a film like Baby wherein it was action role. Now even this is not a very conventional role. So will we see you take up these kinds of roles as well?
I think it is very clear with whatever I've chosen. You will see me in something totally unexpected next.
And there are reports that you are doing a film with Neeraj Pandey. How true is that? That is a prequel.
Wait for Neeraj Pandey to announce it. As I said, it was the easiest and most difficult at the same time. Easiest because I belong to this space, and difficult because it was heart-wrenching. The 2 months that I was shooting for this, I was not 2 months in the sense when we had planned the entire script. I was not doing anything else but concentrating on this film. There were times that probably I had an emotional breakdown off the set as well for no reason almost, because by the end of it you actually feel the character so close that something has actually happened to you. So it was extremely impactful. Like, it did change a lot in my head for those 2 months. It did affect me very personally. So it was very challenging, and when I have to stand in the frame with him, I better be good. Sorry? It did. Yes, it did. By the closer towards the middle of the film only, I was like, something has really gone wrong in my head.
The movie is hard-hitting yet, sensitive in nature. How do you plan to promote it?
Our promotion plan was to show you the trailer, and मुझे ये लगता है कि ट्रेलर देख के ही लोग सिनेमा देखने आते हैं. ट्रेलर देखने पे ही लोग डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि मुझे ये फिल्म देखना है कि मुझे फिल्म नहीं देखना है. मैंने बहुत बार किया है ऐसे. ट्रेलर देखने के बाद मैंने वो डिसाइड कर लिया था. So otherwise our basic promotion in this film obviously doesn't have a song and dance or item number to promote. This is purely all films are purely content driven, character driven. So I think yes, there are songs, and you will find we are introducing a singer from Pakistan named QB. You will hear her song. Shantanu is the music director. We have another guest music director, Anupam Roy from Piku, second film, and one more girl, Faiza from Pakistan. So there are 3 music directors for this. The entire background score and this is composed by Shantanu. And I have many things to talk about. I have to talk about Angad Bedi, I have to talk about Kirti, I have to talk about Andrea, I have to talk about Piyush and Tony, and we have many things to talk about. We will talk about it and put promo. And yes, I mean normal, conventional जिस तरह से promote किया जाता है. We are doing many associations, and yeah, I think that's it. You will see in next few days. You will see 2 songs coming up, and a few parts of another trailers, possibly small trailers. But I think I was pretty sure about this one trailer as being the more impactful.
Also, clashing with Raz.
Is clashing with
Raz 4.
Yes. See, every week there are 2 films or 3 films, or somewhere down the line we had to come with some other film. But the day we started this film, that day only, I'm really happy that my producers decided that they want to release the film on September 16th, and they are sticking to it. And बाकी देखेंगे, we'll share राज के साथ बैठ के हम लोग खाएंगे बैठ के.
Obviously sexual crimes against women are a reality. It's a sad, dark reality of this country. And while there is retribution and justice on the silver screen, the ground reality is quite different. Like even today, the perpetrators of Nirbhaya, while they are in jail, their death sentence has been commuted. And obviously recently we had the terrible Bulandshahr rape. So how do we end this menace? Is it only getting from bad to worse? Like we can keep on making films, but yes, the judiciary is there. We have the laws, but sadly, these things take too much of time. And how do you think how can India get rid of this menace?
Yeah, before he starts, let me tell you one thing, please. This film is not talks about rape or anything else. So this has nothing to do with that. Yes, but rest you can answer.
Whatever you say is obviously extremely disgusting. And as a nation, we sometimes hang our heads in shame by reading these several incidents that keep happening. They should not. I think basically all of us as Indians and individuals need to educate ourselves to give importance to the women in our lives and to understand that their contribution and their presence in a society is equally important as the male. Other than that, yes, we need to have very strong laws and we need to have a huge amount of exposure towards these people. There are many ways which you and I may personally want to execute. A lot of people say, put this rapist out in the market and we'll deal with him. But that doesn't go according to the law of the land. There is a law and yes, we have to follow it. Sometimes we feel disillusioned by the outcome. Sometimes we feel that righteous procedure has been followed and this will continue. But what is the base of all this? The base of all this is that somewhere we are losing respect for the female gender. And that can come from education, from people like you and from us who make these kind of films, to respect them, to give them the honor, to give them the right place in society. And that's what we're all working for. It will take time, but it will happen. I'm confident.
जैसे फिल्म में हमने देखा कि एक हिस्सा जो है वो कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा है बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग। मेरा सवाल आपसे शुजित, आपसे पीयूष भाई, आपसे आपके जहन में हिंदी सिनेमा में कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा का एक बहुत अच्छा इतिहास है, तो आप लोगों की सबसे पसंदीदा फिल्म अगर कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा पे बात की जाए तो कौन सी रहेगी?
पिंक।
या ये भी मैं कहूँगा कि ऐसा यूनिक कोर्ट रूम मैंने भी नहीं कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया है, लेकिन आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, हम लोग 11 से 12 दिन इस कोर्ट रूम में थे और हम लोग सब एक साथ थे, एक ही टाइम पे सब लोग। इस फिल्म में उस तरह से शूटिंग नहीं हुआ है कि अच्छा एक एक्टर का शॉट ले लिया फिर दूसरे, हम सब एक साथ बैठते थे, एक साथ 20 मिनट 15 मिनट का सीन एक साथ प्ले होता था, एज इफ इट्स अ रियल केस की एक विटनेस बॉक्स में लेके जाया जाता था एंड लॉयर्स उनसे सवाल करते थे एंड जज करते थे। तो मैं इतना आपको बता दूं कि आप जब कोर्ट केस देखेंगे आपको एक इतना यूनिक सा लगेगा, आपको लगेगा कि यू आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू अ रियल सेशन कोर्ट इन दिल्ली।
What made you shift your base from television to films, and will we see you produce more films often?
पहली बात तो मैं टेलीविजन से कहीं शिफ्ट नहीं हुई, टेलीविजन मेरा पहला प्यार, मेरा पहला पैशन है। फिल्म में आना ऑब्वियसली एक क्रिएटिवली एक स्टेप आगे होता है, तो फिल्म में आना मेरे कवर की बहुत बड़ी इच्छा थी। और इसके बाद जो सब्जेक्ट पे काम करें, चाहे वो पिंक हो, ऑब्वियसली वो हार्ड हिटिंग होंगे, स्टोरी बेस्ड होंगी और जिस तरह की पिंक है।
The opening day of my film collects about 2-3 crores. It's not 40 or 50 crores. That's a fact.
Amit sir, given the sensitive nature of the subject that Pink is dealing with, the film needs to be shown in its entirety. Do you envisage any problems from the scissor-friendly CDFC?
You already have a US certificate.
We already have the trailer, so I think I think they'll be glad to present this film for the country.
So US certificate is what you're looking
yes, the trailer is what you saw is UA, and that's what we will aim for. And we are not here to sensationalize anything on the film. I never do that in all my films. Whether it's Vicky Donor, let me tell you, Vicky Donor was the most difficult film to get an UA than any other film. The kind of subject it dealt with. So we don't play with the gallery, and we don't want to titillate the audience by just doing things which are not right for the society. We never do that. In all my films, not been done. Not in this one also.
Before the next question, may I just make a small submission? I want to tell you that as an actor that has been in the line for almost 45 years, what a great privilege it was for me to work with this wonderful star cast. Most of them are new faces. You perhaps have not seen them before. But I can tell you that when you see this film, you will not see me, you will only see them. It's an exceptional work that they have all done, and I say this from the bottom of my heart. I'm not being modest. I know that a lot of people call me a false modest person, but this is factual and this is the honest truth. I have never worked with such an exceptional cast as I have in this film. And they're all so new, they're all so committed. You cannot believe the kind of performances that they have given. You cannot believe that they're actually acting. They're just so natural, so good, and it's such an inspiration for me because I learn a lot from them.
Andrea,
Andrea, I have a question for you.
Yes.
I would really appreciate it, if you did not ignore this star cast and spoke to them also.
Andrea, I have a
gave
question.
them a chance to speak.
Andrea, I have a question for you.
Her name is Andrea Telang. She's from Shillong. She's a musician and she's her first film.
It wasn't something that I expected that I would ever do. I've never acted before. I sing. Yeah, but I've never acted before. It was unreal. Seeing the trailers now,
She was crying.
Andrea, also one more thing. We rarely see Northeast Indian actors in Bollywood, in Hindi cinema. Is it really difficult to break through into Hindi film industry?
I don't think it is. I think you just need to be at the right place at the right time.
It's important to include people from the Northeast as well into our mainstream. As they are mainstream India.
In the initial, when the scripting was done, there was no girl from the Northeast. It was 3 girls who stay in Delhi in some apartment. So third girl. So I think my friend producer Ronnie, he is from Northeast. So he suggested me, why don't we have one girl who's Northeast? And in Delhi, it's really rampant and what happens with girls from Northeast. So why don't we have a girl from Northeast to really represent us? And that's how we changed the character, talking to Ritesh, into a Northeastern girl, and that's how Andrea was casted in this one.
Keenly watching the Rio Olympics and excited about how India performs there. But recently Shobha Dey has come up with a very discouraging tweet. She said that our contestants are there and they are just taking selfies and coming back without any medals. So how will you react to a tweet like this?
I think that is something that you should react to.
Really?
I'm actually really proud that I'm Vishnu Bedi's son. That's always going to be with me. Yes. And I did play cricket for 6 years, but I was telling Mr. Bachchan the other day when he was shooting an ad. I was driving and my mom called me and she said, "Where are you going?" I said, "I'm going to meet Mr. Bachchan on his set." I said, "I have to tell you one more thing, which I have never told you ever in my life. Because when my father played cricket, तो मैं ground पर गया. उन्होंने मुझे net practice कराई, वो मैंने की. But my childhood dream and my passion was to one day be in a film with Amitabh Bachchan. And it has been fulfilled with Kala, Sujita, thank you, Torida, well knowing you. When I even went and met Torida, I was there with my friend Madhav, I don't know if you're here, but we had a meeting and he said, "There कोई picture नहीं मिलेगी." My friend said that to me. He said, "They're looking for somebody which is not you. And you're too good, you're too nice, you're too kind." And as soon as I reached home, he really discouraged me. He's quite a pessimistic person, I know. I hope you're hearing this, Madhav. But I got a call from Rising Sun and they said, "You're on." And the rest is history. I'm here. And I am really glad Ronnie, Sujita, Torida, Mr. Bachchan, the girls, Tapsi, Kirti, and Andrea, and Rashul, and Tushar, and Ritesh. I would like to thank everybody from the sets to the spot boys to the lighting, everyone. They've done a fabulous job and we work like a family. So we'd like to stay like that.
I want Kirti to also speak few words on this film, please.
I honestly don't know what to say. There's so much already being spoken about the film. All I want to say is everyone has seen the trailer. We have done our best in every possible way, the whole team. And it's just the beginning of conversations and discussions about what the film is and about everything that the film is about. So all I want to say is that we have done our best, and let's hope and we pray that the film touches everyone's hearts throughout the world the way it's touched ours. So thank you.
One question to the entire Starcast. Next week is Independence Day. बच्चन साहब आपसे और बाकी Starcast से जानना चाहेंगे आज़ादी के क्या मायने हैं आपके?
कि भारतवर्ष रेप से फ्री हो।
सालों पहले आप दोनों ने एक फिल्म बनाई थी शू बाइट, वो अब तक रिलीज नहीं किया, उसकी टीज अभी बाकी है कि वो रिलीज नहीं हो पाई ये फिल्म।
वो जूता अभी भी काट रहा है।
सुजीत सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
अगर कोई फिल्म रिलीज नहीं होती तो बहुत दुख होता है, सिंपल, and you feel really bad for it, but we have moved on, we're making films, we're still trying that if something can happen, but I think Piku or even Pink is all my repay back to Mr. Bachchan that we could not do and that film could not release, so ये सारी मेरी ऋण है जो मैं उनको वापस दे रहा हूँ।
ऋण
8 मार्च को है।
कौन सा फिल्म का सीक्वल?
दरअसल हम चाहेंगे कि फिल्म की रिलीज के बाद ऐसी सभा फिर से बैठे और फिर हम आपके साथ बातचीत करें। ज़्यादा अवसर मिलेगा, आपके पास ज़्यादा प्रश्न होंगे उस फिल्म के बारे में।
अत्याचार to giving emotional अत्याचार to these girls, how was the kind of film for you?
No, I don't think he'll give any emotional attention to these girls, but you'll watch the film.
You have to see the film for that. I play a character, his name is Rajveer Singh. He is a person who's from North India. He's very highly educated. It's not about me, it's about the character. You will eventually, when you see the film, you'll decide on your own and form your own judgment about it. Thank you.
Perfect. Now just we're going to take photo ops. All our photographers friends, please आप जरा तस्वीर लेके आगे।